Although I follow the path of least resistance, no, I ain't crooked. Although I follow the path of least resistance, I just try and do my thing and maintain my existence. I ain't stupid. Although I did not complete all of my schooling, no, I ain't stupid. Although I did not complete all of my schooling, I ain't crooked, I ain't stupid, and I ain't fooling. I ain't scared. Although I may appear to be shaken, no, I ain't scared. Although I may appear to be shaken, I ain't waking to the faking, bacon, partaking in the headache and cornflaking. I ain't faking bacon. I ain't special, but my mama tell me that it's true. I ain't nothing to write home about, baby, but my mama tell me that it's true. I know one thing is for sure, I'm lucky I got you.
Hey buddy, how you doing? This is Chicken Hoppin' Fred calling. Just wondered if it might be possible for me to come out on your farm and do a little fox trapping, maybe some squirrel trapping, and even maybe some chipmunk trapping. Anything furry, quite honestly, because I've really gotten into just catching little furry animals and skinning them and then making nifty little clothes out of them, you know, like little booties for babies out of squirrel fur and little baby Daniel Boone hat. And anywho, just, give me a call back sometime when you got some chance and we'll talk about some traps.
I ain't wealthy, but y'all know sometimes it's fun to pretend. I ain't got no money, baby, no. Y'all know sometimes it's fun to pretend. They say you can't take it with you when you leave, so you might as well spend. I ain't crooked, although I follow the path of least resistance. No, I ain't crooked, although I follow the path of least resistance. I just try and do my thing and maintain my existence. You just try and do your thing and maintain your existence. We'll just try and do our thing and maintain our existence.